Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Abdulaziz Mohammed, and in this video tutorial, I'll be presenting macOS Foundation for Beginners. I've decided to create this tutorial in order to help people who would like to move from Windows operating system into the Mac, and anyone using currently a macOS operating system. As you can see, the title of this tutorial is macOS Foundation for Beginners. And macOS being the main application or the main operating system for any Mac, a product like MacBook, iMac, Mac Mini. So the current version of macOS is Catalina version 10.15. But if you are new to Mac or if you want to move to Mac, this course is for you because what I'm talking about is macOS, not only macOS Catalina, which is the latest versions, but I'll be describing what is macOS, which is the main operating system, the core application of Mac OS itself. So I'll be going from A to Z. This is going to be a first video, which is a part 1 video. And what I'll be going through today is just going through the different parts of the Mac OS. I'll go through the menu bar, Spotlight, Siri, notifications, desktop, dock, how to connect to the internet, get macOS update, what do you want to update your macOS, where do you get it, and how do you get the update. So I hope this video would be helpful to anyone considering learning macOS, and anyone who's using it, I hope you can find some useful information from it. So this is a part 1 of this macOS Foundation course of video. I'll be releasing a few other videos in the next few days. So if you like the video, just leave your comment, please. Leave your name, and if you can tell me as well where you come from, so at least I know where you guys are from, and that will be a pleasure to know you. And if you subscribe as well to my channel, that'll be great as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start, going through the basics as listed in this tutorial. So I'll start now, and then we'll take it from there. I hope you enjoyed and you can learn a lot from it.